demonstration of a talking picture. Notice that I am in the picture and I am talking. Note how my lips and the sound issuing from them are synchronized together in perfect unison. Since the earliest days of the motion picture industry, the concept of sound has never before been possible. My voice is recorded on a record and so connected to the mechanism of the projection machine as to run simultaneously with the unreeling of the film. A talking picture. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.
My lady.
Oh, Teresa, I am so downhearted. My father has betrothed me to Baron de Landesfield, and I can't stand him.
But he is such a catch. Why, every woman of the court wishes she were in your pretty shoes.
But my heart belongs to another. Pierre de Bataille. Ever since I first saw him, I can't get him out of my mind.
Yvonne!
Oh, Pierre! Come! You're flirting with danger! They will surely find you out! Your head is much too valuable!
'Tis Cupid who called me here, and I, smitten by his arrow, have come charging to your side, despite the threats of Madame la Guillotine.
But the night is full of our enemies!
Imperious Princess of the Night, I love you.
Oh, Pierre!
I love you. 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 Yvonne, captured by the Rouge Noir of the Purple Terror. Give me my sword. I must fly to her side. Yvonne, my own!
Pierre!
Pierre is miles away, my wench.
No!
Yes, yes, yes.
No!
Yes, yes, yes.
No!
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, Pierre.
My lady, can you ever forgive?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
And would I dare to say you'll marry me someday?
Yes, I would.
Yes, we could. Yes, we should. Yes, we would.
You're going to have to come closer. I'm going to have to sort of pan it up slightly.
Yeah.
So we haven't done this bit. Do you know what you're... So you go... so before we film it...
She's
They will surely catch you.
so sorry.
I've got to move my head.
Okay.
I bet you've never seen anything bounce that quick.
What was this?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, Pierre!
Pierre
No, he's not Pierre. Canoodling. Love, kiss, you love
Are we
each other.
kissing?
Yes, you can kiss, yeah.
Right. It's gonna go everywhere.
Lots of minutes.
Really? Oh, I'm supposed to say.
Yeah, say it.
He just likes kissing you.
You might want to wait for the helicopter to go as well.
Well, this is
Brand
silent.
sensation for him, so.
Tonight the world is ours. What care are we what the morrow brings? Tonight
We are
alone.
Okay,
It's almost perfect.
that's it. Right then, bye. Yeah, bye.
Seize them!
Okay. Again.
Do we all bump into each other as we stop?
Holding me back up.